Hello and welcome to the pre-portal for 203 Taylor Street, Methil. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat split over 2 levels. Great potential to really add value and make it your own while getting access to a shared garden. Now this property is at pre-portal, so if it does appeal to you, you're in that position to proceed and you can make our seller an offer that they just cannot refuse before this goes to Rightmove, Zoopla and our own sites. Please do message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01333 421 774. So let me take you on the tour, show you how much space you're getting with this property, exactly where you can add that value, and as always keep listening until the end for that all important price point. So this is the entrance to your property here, 203. So let's head inside and start the tour. As always, we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. So you come into your entrance hallway and then straight up the stairs. So with this flat, you are over 2 levels, as I say. One of the bedrooms is on the upper level, one of the bedrooms is on the lower level, which you'll see as we continue through the tour. So we'll start in the first bedroom. So this is the upper level bedroom. Lovely and bright, spacious as well. Easily get a double bed into this space. And then you have storage just in that corner just there. What's great about this property is you are spoilt with storage. We've got plenty as we go throughout, which you'll see. So first bedroom, then coming out we come into your bathroom. So storage just on our right just there. Then with this bathroom you are getting your WC, wash hand basin and bath. You could easily put a shower above if you wish, but that's the bathroom. Then back into the landing. Now this is a storage cupboard and it goes a good depth back to probably about here. So really good storage, plenty of space. So we'll head downstairs and I'll show you the rest of the property. Now again, bedroom downstairs, just off the living room. Right, so we then come into your living room space, really generous sized living room, plenty of space in here. You could even get a breakfasting table, potentially in that corner or just at the side of me here. But this is your living room. You have that feature fireplace and then just storage in that corner just there. Now going through here is your additional bedroom. Now you'll be surprised at just how big this bedroom is. You really are spoilt with this one. Again, storage in the corner just there. But plenty of space with this bedroom. Big windows as well and plenty of light flood in. Just storage behind there as well. But this is your final bedroom. And then heading back through into the living room, just to give you an idea again from the size from this angle as well actually. So this is your living room space. Again, lights flooding in. And then we enter into your kitchen. So plenty of cabinet and worktop space. You've got space for your white good appliances. And this is the kitchen space, and then we will head outside to show you the garden space in just a second. But this is your kitchen, so really utilised all the space and getting as many cabinets in, which is just great. So let's head outside, show you the garden and recap number 203. Right, so back out your front door and we'll head down the stairs. So this will give you an idea as well of the entrance to your property. So we go down these stairs. Now directly in front of us, this is the shared garden space. So you can see again, it's a really generous size. Now to get to this point, there is a gate just at the end, just there, and that is how you get access. So just walking along, and that's you on Taylor Street for your parking. So it is on street parking, but as I say, access is just through that gate and you can walk along. But then this is the shared garden space, so really generous size, almost dry and green. You can see the sheds for outdoor storage. There is also a wee bench just there, but this is your garden space, and then that's just a look up to your property there. So 203, that is yours, and then obviously that is your bedroom window as well. So let's recap the property. So that was the pre-portal for 203 Taylor Street. Hopefully by now you saw exactly where you can add value and really make this your own while getting a spacious 2-bedroom flat split over those 2 levels as well, while getting ample storage, generous sized rooms, and then you have this shared garden. All your amenities are close by as well, really accessible to the shops and to the high street. In terms of commuting from this location, you have the bus station that will connect you across Fife, and then you have, of course, the train station, which will connect you with Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. So great commuting links. All your amenities on your doorstep. From here as well, you can take a walk along Leven Beach. You've even got the swimming pool, so you have leisure facilities. So you are getting everything on your doorstep while getting the perfect flat and really making it your own. Now this is going to be coming to market with us for offers over 58,000. So if it does appeal to you, you're in that position to proceed, and you can make our seller an offer that they just cannot refuse before this goes to Rightmove, Zoopla and our own sites, please do message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties, take care.